He had a home, a mother, a brother. Then loss happened. Grief turned into greed. Family turned into betrayal. Turned no protection, alone. On cold streets, no money, no protection, no second chances. Life only mistakes you. When you stop fighting, he wasn't weak. He was just alone. The world turned away, but kindness didn't. He didn't lose hope. He chose courage. Hunger hurts, but betrayal hurts deeper. He carried nothing except dignity. But he didn't beg. He worked. Construction sites, heavy bricks, bleeding paws, silent pain. Every morning, discipline. Every night, survival. Money came slowly, but honestly. This wasn't income. This was dignity. He didn't chase luck. He built skill, street food, hard labor, small savings, big dreams. Because success isn't fast. It's earned. Years later, he had peace, not luxury, not revenge, peace. Then one night, the same brother stood in front of him, broken, regretful, alone. The past came back. He could choose anger. He chose mercy. Because real strength isn't revenge. It's forgiveness. And sometimes, the one who was rejected becomes the one who heals.